Custom instructions are an incredibly useful feature in ChatGPT that can make your interactions smarter and more personalized. Imagine if every time you chatted with ChatGPT, it already knew what you wanted, how you preferred your answers, and even your specific style. Custom instructions are here to make that possible. Instead of typing the same preferences over and over again, you can set up your instructions just once, and ChatGPT will use that information in every conversation. No more repeating yourself, no more wasted time. Let's break down what custom instructions are all about. At its core, this feature allows you to personalize your interaction with ChatGPT by providing consistent guidance on how it should respond to you. Think of it as configuring a virtual assistant to always know your preferences. This means the AI not only knows who you are, but also knows what you're looking for in terms of communication style, tone, and content detail. The best part? You set it up once, and it stays that way until you decide to change it. This is what makes it a game changer for so many users, from students to professionals. Custom instructions are made up of two key input fields. The first input field is all about giving context. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you? This is where you tell the AI a bit about who you are and what your needs are. Maybe you're a high school teacher, a small business owner, or an aspiring creative writer. This context helps ChatGPT frame its answers to be more relevant to your background. For instance, if you say, "I'm a history teacher looking for engaging ways to explain complex topics to teenagers," ChatGPT will generate responses that align perfectly with that context. The second input field is where you get to shape how ChatGPT communicates with you. How would you like the AI to respond? Here, you can specify things like tone, formality, length, and even structure. Do you prefer quick bullet point summaries or detailed explanations? Should the response be casual, formal, or technical? Maybe you're crafting marketing content and you need an enthusiastic tone, or you're drafting an email for work and prefer something professional. You have the power to set that, and every response from then on will reflect your preferences, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. The benefits of using custom instructions are crystal clear. First off, there's efficiency. Imagine the time saved by not having to explain your preferences over and over again. Professionals like lawyers or teachers can set their desired response styles once and have ChatGPT adjust accordingly, saving both time and effort. It's like you're training the AI to get better at helping you every single time you interact. Next, there's consistency. By setting up these instructions, you ensure that every response you get is on point with what you need. You can rely on the AI to provide answers in a style and tone that's comfortable and familiar to you, whether you're working on a school project or drafting a work proposal. However, it's important to acknowledge some of the limitations. Currently, you can only save one set of instructions at a time, which may be inconvenient if you switch contexts often, like from professional to personal use. Also, custom instructions cannot completely override the core model's behavior. For example, if you set a preference for a highly creative response, the AI will still adhere to safety protocols and ethical standards. This means it won't provide certain types of content, even if you try to prompt it otherwise. But despite these limitations, custom instructions are still one of the most powerful ways to shape the AI to work best for you. Setting up custom instructions is simple. All you need to do is go to the settings menu in ChatGPT, find custom instructions, and fill in the two fields we discussed. Once you've filled in the details, just toggle it on, and your preferences will be active for every new conversation. The key is to use clear and specific instructions. Instead of something vague like, "I want helpful responses," try something more specific like, "I need actionable advice that is concise, written in bullet points, and suitable for beginners." This helps ensure that the responses you get are exactly what you're looking for. Think about the possibilities. If you're a student needing step-by-step help with complex topics, custom instructions let you set up ChatGPT to explain things slowly, clearly, and with lots of examples. If you're a writer, you can set the AI to provide creative inspiration in the tone that matches your current project. It's like having a personal assistant that not only understands you, but also knows exactly how to communicate with you to maximize your productivity and creativity. Custom instructions give you the power to make ChatGPT your personal AI, one that's perfectly tuned to your needs and preferences. So why not give it a try? Set your instructions, test them out, and see just how much more useful, efficient, and enjoyable your experience with ChatGPT can be. Once you've set it up, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Thanks for joining me today. Keep experimenting and see how you can make ChatGPT truly work for you.